Celerio automatic with CNG. There are many questions with CNG car because CNG will success in automatic car because company not provide CNG in automatic car. So it creates doubt to buy or not. Let's go to discuss about any problems found in CNG. What will be the dicky space? Engine side changes we can check. Pickup and power performance of the car, and also mileage with CNG. CNG tank capacity. How much gas can we fill? Will be good decision to install a CNG kit? Yes, it is good decision. So this is the dicky with CNG bottle, safety wheels, and enough space for luggage, a single family. This is the knob. We can on off the supply of gas in any time. 12 kg capacity tank. Dicky looks. This is gas level indicator, and also we can check or change manually from gas to petrol. Let's check the engine side changes. This is the point where the gas is filling. This is pipe. This is installed pressure gauge and electronics control unit ECU. The black is filling pipe to engine. The red color is injector. CNG injector will be installed over the engine. Not any other changes, only 3 changes. This is injector. The red color you can check here. Also we can on or off supply. Here we can install laptop because this is sequential kit. If you want to close the gas, we go for road test. It's a nice performance. Looks like we drive on a petrol. Not much difference. Little bit poor performance you can feel, but not so huge difference as people describe that CNG will be break your power and many more. Don't worry. It is good performance. I am satisfied. Just we reach 0 to 80 in 35 to 40 seconds. So it's a enough pickup. No need to worry. Oh, it's nice to drive. (28 to 30 kilometer per kg) mileage is enough. Good mileage as per my thinking. Also good performance, no any maintenance. So go for CNG, don't worry. In also success in automatic car. So engine is running on fire. It's not depend on fuel. So it may be petrol, diesel or gas or any kind of fuel. It will be running on fire.